Hey, Scott here with Rendall Certified Cleaning Services. Another question we get asked often is, how often should I get my rugs cleaned? So you have an area rug that's in a high traffic area, it should be cleaned about once every year. If the dog, cat, ferret, whatever you have, piddles on the rug, more often. But just it's like carpeting. You should get on a routine where it's always brought in for cleaning. And the way that we do is you just give us a call, we'll come out, pick it up free of charge, and we'll clean it at our location. When we're done, we'll deliver it back, also at no cost. If you're in our service area. Outside of our service area, we do charge a nominal fee for that. But our service area is all of Livingston County. We recommend at least once every, say, year to a year and a half on carpeting. With your rugs, 2 years at the top end, 18 months at the low end. And the whole reason why is the same thing with carpeting. That soil always starts up at the top and has a tendency to, with gravity and walking on it, to move down to the base of the fibers. With a high quality rug, those foundation fibers look like a weaving. They are a weaving, they look like this. And all those little soils get stuck down way deep inside those little nooks and crannies and abrade the backing, the foundation of the rug. So that's not good for your rug. All that stuff needs to be flushed out on a regular routine. Again, we recommend about 18 months, top end 2 years.